So the directions on this say, use the calculator to find two values of theta between 0 degrees and 360 degrees, which tells you which mode should you be in. Degrees, right? If that said 0 and 2 pi, then you would know radians, right? But it said degrees, so we're in degree mode. All right? The cosine of theta equals 0.8746, right? Again, how do you solve for the theta when the theta is inside of the function? Take the inverse function, right? So we're going to say theta equals cosine inverse, right, of 0.8746. Theta equals, okay, now if I pull up my calculator, I think I'm still in degrees, cosine minus 1 of 0.8746 is 29 degrees. We'll round it to 29 degrees. Yeah, 29 degrees. So that's one angle in between 0 and 360. We need another. So what I do, I draw myself a circle, and I'm going to mark this 29 degrees is about right there. First quadrant. So now go back to the sign, the sign plus or minus of all these functions. In which other quadrant would cosine equal a positive number? We got to the first quadrant, which is the other. It's the fourth, right? Because remember, cosine is like x. X is positive here and here. So cosine is positive here and here. So if I'm going to find a place on between 0 and 360, it's got to be straight down there. I mean, if that's 29 degrees up, this has got to be 29 degrees down. Cosine of negative 29 will also equal 0.8746. But negative 29 is not between 0 and 360. Find the coterminal angle. Which is it? Yeah. 360 minus 29 equals 331 degrees. Or just think of it like, now 360 minus 29, 331. Coterminal. Right, so we're using the fact that cosine is positive in both of these quadrants. Right? So for cosine, the second value will always be straight up or down. Right? If you got the first answer over here, you would be looking for the second value here.